Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about how to do a FlipGrid for our reading reflections. I know a lot of us have practiced using Canvas and we've practiced writing, but we're going to open up our reading reflections to allow you to do a video option. And with me I have someone who has done a lot of these, Miss Amelia, my daughter. Say hi.
Hi.
How was your day?
Good.
Did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Awesome. Talk a little bit louder though, okay? Okay, so when you click on the link that I put in your reading reflections, you're going to see this. Amelia, could you tell us a little bit about what does this mean?
It's telling you like what you're gonna be doing, and I think you guys are gonna be doing, you're gonna be telling about your reading.
Yep, that's right, right on. And the next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and read your prompt. So review the prompts. Those would be the link that I gave you in your daily reading reflections, and create 3 30-second videos to respond to the prompts, or practice your text structure skills by describing, comparing, and contrasting, identify the cause and effect, identify the problem and solution, or identifying the chronology or sequence of your 60 minutes of reading. Okay. What would we do next after you read the directions?
So there's a big green button down there, and it's got like a plus sign on it, and that's how you would record your video.
Is this it? This one right here?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and click on that next. Come on, go green button. Okay, so I have not done this before as a student. What would I do from here?
So you would click the video button when you're ready, and it would start counting down 3, 2, 1, and then you would start doing your video and talking about like what you read in your book.
Okay, and tell me about these cool things.
So you can like draw or like put a sticker or like put like words in the corner or something.
That's cool.
Or emojis.
Do you want to do a book you read last night or a book I read last night?
Can I do one?
Can you do one for the book you read?
Uh-huh.
Okay, first tell me, are you going to do like cause and effect, problem, solution, description? Which text structure are you going to use? Chronology is where you talk about the events in order.
Okay, I'll do the chronology.
Chronology? Okay, so think about your book and what are some things you want to do here?
Maybe emoji.
Emoji, add some stickers.
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of stickers do you want? Let's search for some. Tell me what word to type in.
I don't know. Just random one.
Random one?
Yeah.
Random. No, it had no results. Okay. Can we do this after?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you take a picture after, and then you could like put like stickers there and stuff.
Okay, so I could add these now or later?
Yeah, but you can still add them here when you're like talking and they could be in the corner or something.
Okay, cool. So we're going to go for 30 seconds, and you're just going to tell me the events in the order that they happened.
Mm-hmm.
Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. On your mark, get set, 3, 2, 1.
So the girls named Mia, Gabby, and Kate were all playing soccer at Mia's house, and then her little sister Gabby came out, and they got like transported to Neverland by a fairy, and then these 2 fairies like came and like helped them, but then like Kate like ran away with pixie dust and flied, but then they all worked it out and stuff.
Nice! Pause it right there. Awesome. Okay, now we have to move our screen so I can hit the next button, otherwise it won't let me. Okay, I'm going to click next. Awesome. And so right here, if I like accidentally pick my nose, can I edit that out?
I don't know.
Ooh, okay, so don't accidentally pick your nose. And I'm waiting for it to upload right here.
That's not uploading.
It's not uploading?
You can just push next if you want.
Okay. This is why she's here. Okay,
and
now what's this?
You take a photo, and then you could put like, I did one, and it could do like a crazy hair day or something, and it's super fun.
Okay, what do you want to do for our selfie?
I don't know.
You don't know? Ah! Moving things. Okay, back to FlipGrid. Let's just give a hug, okay? Yay! Oh, this way. There we go. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Okay. Help me out here.
Then you could go to emojis.
Emojis. What do I need to put?
This thing.
This thing?
Or the purple one.
The purple one? Ooh, let's do this guy. Oh, or this bird. Which one is the best about your book?
I don't know.
You said fairies, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put a fairy in there. Woo! She is right in front of our faces. Let's put her right there. She's like, yo, what's up? I want to be here too.
Wait. You could put like hairdos. Put that thing.
Put the hairdos?
Yeah. No, not that. I think it's stickers.
Stickers?
And maybe it's this one. I know it now.
This one?
Yeah. Look how cool it is.
Ooh.
I usually do that one.
You usually do this one? Oh, well, since you usually do it, I think you have to do it. Okay. Okay, right there.
Sure.
Make it a little bit smaller.
And you should do yours.
My face is blocked out. We'll just leave it like that, okay? Okay, and now I click next, right?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
now how do I submit it? I click the next button.
It should be going to the thing where you can like name your there.
Okay. So it's turning it in for me.
And then you could put a title on it.
Okay, let's put practice. Oh, here, let's put McNamer and Amelia, and the title will be practice.
Sure.
Okay. Let's go ahead and submit that video. And now, are we done?
Yeah, but you can do like more videos, and if you push complete, then also if you like click on another one, there's a little, you can listen to theirs, and then there's a little like a, you know, the text thing on phones. There's one of those at the bottom, and you could say like, oh, I agree with you, or I've read that book and stuff.
That's awesome. So I can comment on other people's.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. All right. Hey, well, Amelia, thank you so much for helping me do this. I would not have been able to figure it out without you. You're a rock star. Hey, guys, have fun. Stay well, and I'll see you soon. Oh, we got to end it. I'm lost on how to end it. Oh, right here. There we go. Okay, everyone, have fun. Stay safe.